Well, here you go, Joe, man. You did good today. So I'm going to give you this tool. All right, getting rid of this old leaky Lennox this morning. Me and old Smoky Joe. Oh, looking good, Smokey. You're getting pretty good at this, Joe, I must say. It's been like 5 minutes and you got that thing out of there. You know what I'm saying? All right. That's so crusty, huh? Right here's where this thing's leaking. Guarantee you. See this right here? Mm-hmm. Guarantee you that's where that thing's leaking, brother, from another mother. Look at this, huh? Old Smokey. Fogged up. Well, that's not too bad, but.
They got birds or something.
Birds? Oh, wow, there's feathers in there? Feathers in there? What's that blower look like, I wonder? Yeah, okay. Okay. See how you want to do this, buddy. Think of gas in it. You're good. Always want to check that. Make sure you got nitrogen pressure. All right. So if you check out this B-Series, you got a heat sink in here. All right. To keep this board cool, you have refrigerant that runs through this heat sink back down, and that helps alleviate this board from overheating. It's a pretty cool feature. Man, that thing ain't gonna last much longer. Whew. This thing is ramped up right now, extremely quiet. AcPro B-Series inverter. You'll have some cold air this summer.
We're trying the Bosch first.
All right. Okay. Let me make sure he's cleaned up inside. What else? Did he get all the tarps and stuff out of there? Let me go make sure.
My son can just go out.
Okay.
You guys can close the door.
All right. All right.
I guess I'm leaving before you guys, right?
Yeah, I think so.
You guys can just close the door, please.
Yes, I will. All right. You have a good day, though. Oh, those are our Gatorades? Huh? That's for me? Yeah. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Joe, you want a Gatorade? Yeah. What do we got left inside? Huh? Okay. Yeah, you can lock it, Michelle. You can lock it. All right, Joe. Smokey. Good job today, man. You knocked that out quick. Bada bing. Bada boom. Oh, how'd you get out? How'd you get out, Mama? Come on. How'd you get out? How'd you get out? You got under that fence? She came from over here? Little shit. Little shit. Wow, she didn't take off. Well, here you go, Joe, man. You did good today. So I'm going to give you this tool. Fan blade puller. So get you a socket to go on there with the thing that plugs into your gun. And that screws on there. Now you're going to need I think it's a 3/4, 11/16, right? But anyway, That's what you can use when you get those fan blades that are stuck on there.
Oh yeah, 'cause I get
Go on YouTube or whatever, look up a video. It's easy to do. It comes right here. Make sure when you're taking these off, look, when you put this tool on here, you're gonna pull it off, right?
Yeah.
Don't line up your set screw with.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Make sure it's not lined up with that, so you don't mess up the threads on that. Okay. I need this fan blade motor. I mean, fan blade. All right, Joe.
Thank you, sir.
You have a good one, buddy.
You too.
Thanks, Joe.
Thank you for the tool.
You're welcome, buddy. Oh man, you want a magic eraser?
Yeah.
Never know when you need this for a customer's house, huh?
I need them all the time.
Trash everywhere. All right, Joe. I'm gonna relax the rest of the day, man. You have a good one, buddy. On to the next one. That was an easy install, huh?
Yeah.
I like that.
It was a little tight, but yeah.
Yeah, yeah. What's up, buddy?